Unlock the full potential of your Sony A1 and transform it into the ultimate streaming webcam for broadcast quality visuals. First, power on your Sony A1 and navigate to the main menu. Locate the Setup menu, often indicated by a wrench icon within the Setup menu. Find and select the USB connection option. Ensure it's set to PC remote, which is crucial for streaming functionality. Next, grab a high-quality USB-C cable, connect one end securely to the USB-C port on your Sony A1, and the other end to a USB 30 or higher port on your computer. Using a high-speed connection ensures a stable and high-bandwidth signal for your stream. Now, head to the official Sony website and download the Sony Imaging Edge webcam software. Install this program on your computer. This free application acts as the bridge between your camera and your streaming software, converting the camera's feed into a webcam input. Once installed, launch the Imaging Edge webcam software. You should see a live preview of your camera's feed within the application. If not, ensure the camera is powered on and properly connected via USB. With Imaging Edge webcam running, open your preferred streaming software, such as OBS Studio, Streamlabs, or XSplit in your streaming software. Add a new video capture device source. Select Sony Camera Imaging Edge or a similar option from the drop-down menu. You'll now see your Sony A1 stunning visual output within your streaming scene. For optimal results, consider adjusting your camera's picture profile for a flatter, more neutral look that's easier to color grade in post-production, and ensure your resolution and frame rate settings match your streaming needs. Congratulations! You've now successfully configured your Sony A1 for high-quality live streaming.